This shit straight trash. Fucking splitter. Don't buy that shit. Look at this, man. Do not get these splitters if your roads are fucked up. Look at that. And that was like a week after I put it on. Probably not even that, probably like a couple of days. And that just happened. Just gotta go. I jet my car up, man. I screwed up that piece. Yes, sir. Just a little bit. Take the split off, man, because it was looking ridiculous. Look at this, fam. All messed up. And this thing is flimsy, man. It's easy to break. Look. It ain't even thick. Already. I'll never get a splitter again. It ain't worth it, man. If your roads are messed up in your city, or your county or whatever, man, don't do that splitter, man. Don't waste your money like I did. But I'm just letting y'all know. Probably put them guards on there. Do them guards. See how that look. Yeah. Put this shit in the trash, man. This shit straight. This shit straight trash. Fucking splitter. Don't buy that shit. Yeah, I got some bumper guards. I'm gonna try to put on right quick. Yeah, man, I put them bumper guards on there so it won't look so plain. So yeah, it's straight. Let this shit down. See how it looks now. Yes, sir. I'm gonna paint on red. I'm definitely paint on red. That's gonna make it pop for real. Yes, sir. Y'all comment, like, subscribe to the channel, man. All right.